In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Webflow AI, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, a creator looking to showcase your work, or just curious about building a website, Webflow's visual website builder makes it easy. Let's dive into the process. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Webflow's official website. Just type webflow.com into the address bar and hit the Enter key. This will take you to the home page of Webflow, where you'll get an overview of its features and tools. The clean and intuitive design provides a great starting point for creating your custom website without needing any deep coding knowledge. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to the login page. If you already have a Webflow account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you may need to create a new account, which is quick and straightforward. After logging in, you're inside your Webflow dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where you can manage all your projects and settings. You'll find a clear option labeled New Site. Click this, and you're on your way to starting a fresh project. This part is particularly exciting because it's the beginning of bringing your vision to life. Now, among the tools listed, you will notice an option for the AI Website Builder. Click on it. This AI functionality is a fantastic resource that helps automate some of the website creation processes, giving you a head start with smart suggestions and design elements. Webflow's AI uses its intelligence to streamline your website creation by offering options. Or you can customize everything to fit your needs perfectly. Remember, the power of Webflow lies in its flexibility. As you use tools like the AI Website Builder, don't hesitate to explore and adjust anything. You're not just limited to AI suggestions. You can freely add your personality and creativity. This system empowers you to design, iterate, and tweak until your site reflects your intended style and message. As we wrap up, you're now set to explore further and delve deeper into Webflow's comprehensive set of tools. Embrace the process, experiment with different layout tools, and you'll see how capable and versatile this platform truly is. And there you have it. You've just unlocked the first steps in website creation using Webflow's AI. Remember to save your progress as you work and prepare to launch your new site when it's ready. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!